Hello, I am Peter. Welcome to Glowtot's Nursery Rhymes. Today we are in London. This is my family, my dad, my mom, and my little sister, Anna. We are so happy. London is a very big city. There are many famous things to see here. We want to go to the park. We must take the underground subway train. The station is deep underground. We go down, down, down on the escalator. Wow, look at all the people. The station is very, very busy today. We walk through the gates. Many people are pushing and moving very fast. Excuse me, many people are in my way. I cannot see my family. Oh no! Where is my dad? Where is my mom? I am alone in the big crowd. A big train arrives. It is very loud. Whoosh! But my family is not here. The doors close. The train goes away. I am lost in the subway station. I feel a little bit scared. The station is so big and very noisy. Wait, I must be brave. I must stay calm and think of a plan. I see a map on the wall. Maps help us find the right way. We are at Westminster Station. I remember the station name now. I am smart. I see a station worker. He has a blue jacket. He can help me. I will use my English. I can ask for help. I can do it. Hello? Excuse me, sir, I am lost. I cannot find my mom and dad. Help, please. Hello, little boy. Do not worry. I can help you find your family. Stay here. Let's go to the desk. We can call your mom and dad now. Come on. Attention, please. Peter is at the information desk. Please come here now. Thank you. I wait for my family. I am glad I asked for help. I am safe. Look, I see my dad's blue shirt. I see my sister's yellow dress. Yay! Peter, we found you. We were so worried. We love you so much. I am so happy. I found my family. London is great when we are together. Now we hold hands. We stay close together in the busy city, safe and sound. We are at the park. It is a beautiful day. Let's play together. We are having a picnic. The food is very good. Yum, yum. Delicious. Always stay close. If you are lost, find a worker and ask for help. Let's learn. Subway, S-U-B-W-A-Y. The train goes underground. Subway. Word 2, help, H-E-L-P. Always ask for help if you need help. Goodbye, friends. See you next time on Glowtot's Nursery Rhymes. Bye-bye. Glowtot's Nursery Rhymes. Learning English is so much fun. Subscribe today.